Hello, my name is Laura del Carmen López Cordero. With number ID AL095570. This is my final project. And which are my future plans? I will tell you in the next script. I have professional and business plans. I think on April 6th, I will have finished the English course. During the next month, I will be starting the new 4 month period of the degree. I will be organizing to do all my activities. All this will have helped me to achieve my objective. Next year, by this month, I will have finished the degree, and so I will be achieving one more word. I will be very happy because I will have achieved what will help me to get promoted in the company where I work. The English course will have been an important part of my professional career. I want to be a businesswoman too. In a few months, I will be starting my own company. I will have natural cosmetics business. In 2 years, I will have sold a lot of products. Thank you.